For number 6, we get the combination of iron 3 sulfate and barium iodide. We're looking for, does a reaction happen? So the first thing after I get the formulas is I say that this has to be split up into its ions. These are all soluble compounds at the beginning. I identify them as what type of ion I have, that I've got the iron 3 plus ion, not the iron 2 plus. And I go looking for an insoluble pair. Now, I've got a rule for sulfate, and that rule for sulfate tells me that they're all going to be soluble except for silver, mercury, and lead, and then the heavy group 2. And the heavy group 2 includes barium, calcium, and strontium. So here's my set. These two right here will form an insoluble compound. There is a rule for iodide, but that is that all iodides are soluble except for silver, mercury, and lead. And there's no silver, mercury, and lead here. So I'm going to make barium sulfate, and I'm going to have left over iodide and iron. So eliminate the spectators and write the net ionic equation. The spectators appear on both sides, so iodide and iron ions are spectators. You eliminate them and you end up with barium ions plus sulfate ions react to make solid barium sulfate.